As we continue down the list of cannabis consumption methods, we'll dive into our next category, sublinguals. These products are processed through glands under the tongue, then absorbed into the bloodstream. The effects can usually be felt within 10 to 30 minutes and last up to 2 to 4 hours. Sublinguals have a few different delivery methods. Tinctures are alcohol extractions of all the active chemicals compounds found in the cannabis plant, with highly concentrated levels of THC and CBD, as well as other cannabinoids and terpenes. These products are typically delivered by using a dropper under the tongue. They tend to be the most popular of the sublingual products as they come in a number of different flavors, ratios, and potency levels. Tablets are held under the tongue until they dissolve and tend to have a faster onset time than capsules, as they're absorbed through the blood vessels in the mouth rather than waiting to be processed through the digestive system. Oral sprays, strips, lozenges, and pouches are slightly less common across dispensaries, but they do offer consistent, reliable dosing. When it comes to tinctures, the label will usually have dosing guidelines based on the cannabinoid contents. Usually 2 to 4 drops of the cannabinoid-rich liquid under the tongue, then holding there for 60 to 90 seconds is a sufficient starting dose. Tablets, strips, lozenges, and pouches will be individually dosed with a set amount of cannabinoids. Just remember to wait at least 30 minutes to see how the effects feel before you decide if you'd like to take another dose or stop there.